Excel for Mac has gone through a lot of changes over the last several years. The version you have determines which formulas you can use, which features are available, and honestly, whether some things work at all. Functions like XLOOKUP, dynamic arrays, and lambda, these are only available in certain versions. If you're trying to follow along with a tutorial that uses one of these and you don't have it, you're going to be stuck with no idea why. So let's figure out exactly what you're working with. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go to the very top to the menu bar, and we're going to click on the word Excel here. And that's going to open up this little drop down menu. And from here, we're going to hover over and click About Microsoft Excel. That's going to open up this little window. And what this tells us is the version number. And if you go down here to the third line, it's the licensing information. And that tells you that your version is 2021.